So welcome to AP Precalculus. I'm going to switch to student view so we can look at it as a student. So every day you log in, this is what your AP Precal page will look like. You will have the agenda for the week. From that agenda, it tells you our objective. It gives you an idea of what you should be working on while we're in class, the notes that we'll be covering for the day, things we'll be working together, what you'll be working on individually, and then homework if there is any, okay? The order may change for the I do, we do, you do, depending on the day. However, everything else is the same. So from here, you also can see that there is a quick link for Zoom. So if like you need to join one of our class Zooms, here's a Zoom link for you to join. On the right hand side, you'll see that you have your to do, things that you should have already done. When you've completed it, it'll disappear itself. If you haven't completed it, it will stay here until you complete it or you manually close it out. Okay? The other thing is here is our modules. Our modules page is going to be like our saving grace bread and butter of our course. It will have every single thing that we're working on over the course of that first 6 weeks available, from your agendas, your assignments, and then as you scroll down, important and helpful information about our class and tips for Canvas. And then once we start taking notes, it'll also have a tab for your notes for you to access. Okay. Your do nows will also be added here, our discussion posts. So that's an option that'll be here. Your syllabus. So here's always access to your syllabus for the class. So you can always access that, get an idea of where we're at, what we're learning, and what we're doing. If you scroll down here, you'll see that this also is another thing that shows you things that are being collected for a grade, things that I want you to make sure you look at it. It's going to always keep track here of our, and this is our course summary. So it'll start from here all the way to the end of the year, okay? Once we start doing more class discussions, you'll see them all here, but you can see our first 2 class discussions are here as well. And then when a discussion is closed, it'll show you that it is no longer accepting comments. And so this is how it works. So these are our pen discussions currently because these are what we're working on. And you can see who's responded. You can respond to each other and keep going. So again, this is our AP Pre-Cal class. I want to make sure that we are starting off on a good foot. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. All right, let's make this a great year.